All right, quick video. I want to talk about why, quickly, hopefully in under 5 minutes, why I would not buy a Chevrolet Corvette. What is it, C8 that's coming out? And I think it's most people who watch my channel probably think this because I had such a horrible time with my Grand Sport, but really and truly no. I'm still a Corvette fan, believe it or not. I love Beamers. I don't think I would buy a new Corvette, which I've said before. But if I came upon a good deal on a used Corvette, C7 or whatever, well, no later than C7, I would buy one just to have one in the garage. But I would not buy the new Chevrolet Corvette C8 as soon as it came out or within the next 3 years. I just wouldn't buy it. And I say 3 years because my car was a 2017. And if you look at some of the history here of the C7 came out in 2014, you know, it had the normal new car growing pains, even though my personal belief is BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, they don't have as many problems as, say, American-made cars. But having said that, I still love the Corvette. That's the only American-made car I would even consider buying used. But the reason why I say I wouldn't buy it right off the bat, see, the C7 came out in 2014 or late 2013, and I got my car in 2017, and you know about the history behind it if you don't look at the videos I got on it. My car was definitely a lemon, but I'm finding my car was not the exception to the rule. It was more or less part of the rule, you know, that some cars gonna have those problems, and in GM case, quite a few of them had problems like that. Still, if I'd have bought it as a used car, I would have been totally satisfied with those issues because it was a used car, but it was a new car, so I was extremely pissed off. And then the service, I was pissed off. But I wouldn't buy a new C8. I would not buy this new C8 Corvette when it first comes out, because it will undoubtedly have some real growing pains. So this is a totally new car. You know, I mean, it might have some bits and pieces from some of the C7, you know, but for the most part, a mid-engine car is a totally new car. And so in 2017, that's 3 years after the first C7 came out, they were still having problems with it, you know. If you look on some of the issues here with the heat soaking on the Z06, the 2016 model, or was it the 2015? I think it was the 2016 model mostly. You know, it was having some problems, and you know, those problems are, I don't want to say normal, but they're not deal killers per se. You know, people still bought the car. But if you're going to pop down 70, or what is it? I think they're saying 60-some thousand, 62, 65,000. Just say $70,000 for a Stingray C8. You really don't want to have no transmission problems, no engine problems, no paint. You don't want to have any of that on a new car. And I personally think you're going to have all of that on a new car, but I'm hoping that you don't. But it's a new car. It's a brand new car. You know, the first iteration of anything is really a beta test. You know, so you're going to be a beta road tester, which if you got the duckies to do that, duckies meaning money, to do that, go for it. But for me personally, a working stiff, I don't have $80,000 to spend on a car like that and then have problems with it. Okay, I have $80,000 to spend on a car like that if it's going to be a reliable car. But in this case, I don't think that's what's going to happen. So, those of you that's still Corvette fans like myself, I personally say go buy a used Corvette. You know, C7s, Z06s out there with some good deals. I mean, they ain't gonna be out there forever though, but there's some good deals out there. But I would stay away from this C8 for right now. I'm definitely gonna go look at it, but I would stay away from it. I think it would just be a real big kick in the balls to buy it and then take it to GM and their service centers. You know, I know here in Texas, I went to 2 of them, and I don't feel that they were anywhere near the service I get at BMW. That's my opinion, but we'll see how it goes. I am looking forward to seeing this car though, because it's supposed to be a beast, but yeah, I think it's going to be a letdown for some people. But then again, if you're a Corvette fan, you really don't give a shit. You just want to be the first to get it. And yeah, I'll be looking for your video. Peace.